Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to slow motion mode, tap on this icon here, and you can enable or disable super slow motion. So it's like, as you can see, changes like frame rate. So like you have all three different speeds. Okay, so you have like 120, 240, and also 960 fps, which is super slow motion. And basically, like the higher frame rate, the slower your slow motion will be. So like 120 is like super fast slow motion, like 240 just like medium slow motion, and 960 it's like super slow motion, like extremely slow. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.